Now that you have a dashboard account, let's go into some of the great features that you get absolutely free. The first is going to be adding favorites, and you can add up to 5 of each category absolutely free. Let's show you how to get started with that. Of course, you can click on each category and use the search up here to add something like, I don't know, Social Blade, because we love our channel, don't we? And there you go, it's right on the list. Maybe you don't know the channel name or it's not searching out properly for you. Simply go find their stats in this little heart icon here, click that, and then go back to your dashboard, and you'll notice it's right there added as well. Once you've got a few of these channels added, of course you can go and check these off and have a look down below. You've got a comparison graph showing all of these channels that you've checked off, and you can compare them side by side, seeing how they're doing in terms of growth compared to each other. Need to remove a channel? It's as simple as going back to their page here and clicking the heart, and then going back to your dashboard to see that it's been removed. You got 2 out of 5. Need more favorite spots than just 5? Well, you're in luck. We have a solution. Head on over to the products and services page and you can see these premium memberships. They don't cost all that much, and you'll be able to add up to 15 slots for just $4 a month. Need 500? We've got you covered there too with the platinum membership. Speaking of products and services, you'll be able to view this now that you have a dashboard. We offer everything from the premium dashboard to a custom report generator, channel management, and consulting services. Check them all out in your dashboard page. Looking to get a blue check mark on your Social Blade page to say, hey, this is me? Well, you can do that. Verify with the Authentication page. It's right up here at the top. There's even settings to go over multiple different things. We're going to cover this in a future video though. Here's a great feature. We have an email progress report that'll allow you to get updates either daily, weekly, or monthly. It simply tracks all of the channels in your favorites locations and keeps you up to date on how you're doing. And there you have it, the Social Blade dashboard. Plenty of features, plenty to keep you on top of to make sure you have that roadmap to success set in place. Check it out for yourself today.
Head on over to socialblade.com now to go set up your dashboard account, or if you already have it set up, we got a video here to help you get the most out of it. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more about how to use Social Blade to achieve your goals.